Hi, I'm Pete, head of studio design. Welcome to Ephemeral Atlanta. Let me show you around. Atlanta is a cultural mecca, and we wanted to create a space that represented Atlanta well. It's definitely the sexiest studio we have so far. You can kind of see with the colors and the lighting and all the mirrors that it kind of feels more like a club than a tattoo studio. One of the main influences for the space is we looked at 90s music videos. We looked a lot at Hype Williams' work and looked at how these videos really create these really special spaces for the artist to kind of perform within. We also wanted to hint at sensuality and create silhouettes when you're in the actual booths getting tattooed. We used transparent panels for all the tattoo booths. So when you're inside, it creates these really cool shadows. When we chose this location, one of the reasons that we were drawn to it was the Plaza Theater, which is one of the oldest theaters in Atlanta. And then there's also this really cool diner on the corner called the Majestic. And part of the reason they look so cool is because they have these really amazing neon signs. So we found the dude that did those neon signs, and he did ours. Another major feature of the space are these massive pyramid mirrors that we did throughout the space. All the mirrors spin, so whenever you come in and kind of get a different point of view, the space changes a lot. It's a kaleidoscope, really, like this whole room is one big kaleidoscope, and whenever you sit, you kind of get reflections of different parts of the space. All our spaces play with this tension of hard and soft and kind of edgy and comfortable. So to contrast the hard boxes and intense silhouettes of our booths, we added these really fun and flirty swings by Gabriela Gonzalez from Miami, and she dyed them to match the rest of the shop. We wanted to create a space that is fun to be in, inspiring to be in, a place you want to hang out in, get a tattoo or 7, and have a good time, the same way you would when you go out at night with your friends.